Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a crow. This is a traditional model, and if you put it on the edge of a table it can stand. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we will valley fold in half along the vertical, so I'll bring the right edge over to lie along the left edge. Make sure both of these corners line up, and then crease it all the way across, and then unfold. Next we'll fold in half along the horizontal, so I'll bring this top edge down to meet the bottom edge. And then once those corners line up, crease it down. Next we're going to make this top edge line up with this center crease here. And that'll form a valley fold that runs from the center point down to the bottom right corner. Just line that up there and then crease it. Then turn the model over right to left. And do the same thing on this side. Bring this edge down to the center crease. And then crease that one. Next we're going to lift the model up and look into the bottom where there's a pocket there. And then we're going to bring this point over to meet this point while opening the pocket up. So just swing those over together and close it up, and then you can lay it flat and press everything down. Now there should be 2 flaps on the right and 2 flaps on the left. Next we're going to bring this bottom right edge and line it up with this center crease. We're going to do this with just 1 flap. Just make sure it starts right from that bottom corner and then lines up all the way vertically, and crease it down. Then do the same thing on the left side, again with just 1 flap here. And then it should form a little kite shape. Now unfold both of those, and we're going to turn them into inside reverse folds. So how that's going to work is we will open this top layer up a little bit, and then on the top layer, that crease we just made is going to turn into a mountain fold, and on the layer underneath it will remain a valley fold. So form the valley fold on the bottom and swing this point in. And if we look back on the top layer, we'll turn that into a mountain fold just using the existing crease line, and then close it up. Then we'll do the same thing on the right side. So just swing that point in and form that existing crease, and then reverse the top crease. Now turn the whole model over. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So I'll bring this bottom right edge into that center crease. Then do the same thing with the left side to form the little kite shape. And then unfold both of those and turn them into inside reverse folds. So open up the top layer, And swing it inside, reversing the top crease. And then with the other side. And press everything down firmly. Now on this side, we're going to swing this a single flap up on the top. So swing it all the way up and crease it. Now on this flap on the right, we should have just one single flap here. We're going to form a valley fold about right here to make feet. This is done to taste, but we'll do this about this far. And you'll want to make this edge perpendicular to the center. Just like that. Then do the same thing on the left side. Try to make it symmetrical with the right side. Now unfold both of those, and we're going to turn them into inside reversed folds. So we'll open up the top layer here, and then we'll swing that point through. And using the existing crease lines, we'll just have to reverse the crease that's on the top layer, and then close it back up. And press it all down. The same thing on the left flap. Just open up the top layer, swing it through, reverse the crease, and then it should look like this. Next, we'll valley fold the entire model in half along the vertical line. Then press all of that down. Next, we'll make one more inside reverse fold to form the head. So you just open this up, swing the point through, and then you'll start to reverse this crease. Now this is done to taste, but you can just get it where you like it. You can move it around until you have it just how you'd like, and then press it all firmly to make those creases permanent. And then we're all done. If you put it on the edge of a table, it should be able to stand up. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.